Welcome back to Clown's Garage. Welcome back to Clown's Garage. In this video, I'll show you how to extend the emergency brake cable on a 5th gen Camaro. So anything from a 2010, 2015, it's the exact same procedure. Now, in order to get more slack here, to pop this off the bracket from underneath the car, what you do is, you can have somebody underneath. Now, if it's already installed in the car, have somebody underneath pull on this as much as they can. And up here, you take the spring and you push it down. Just like that, and let go. And now you have the slack to take it off the bracket underneath this ball. Now when you install this, make sure the e-brake cable is like this. The spring is on top over there. Install it in the car, put the ball on the bracket. You can have somebody underneath just hold this, pull on this a little bit, and as he pulls on it, just go back on this, and that's it. Now you should be good. This is broken, so it doesn't work too well, but once you pull on the cable by hand underneath, and just pull this e-brake cable, this lever up, it should release by itself. Another way you could get the cable off from under the car, the bracket, you put a pry bar over here by the rear wheel, and you push this forward, and do the same thing on the other side of the rear wheel. If you can't go inside the car to get that spring to hold onto that bracket. I also have a video on how to easily adjust your parking brake cable, find adjustments by putting the car in reverse. I'll put the video in the description below. I also have a video on how to replace the handbrake from scratch, from A to Z on this car. I'll put that link in the description below. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, and share me. See ya.